Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello there. I'm just here to do a quick flip through of one of the newer kits that are in Etsy, and they've been up on Patreon for about a month. I would call this my autumn/fall collection. There is 10 new kits that have gone up all together, and I think this is the 6th one or the 5th one that I've videoed. So it's called Dark Romantic. Is it Dark Romantic? Dark Romance. Yes, Dark Romance. I kind of did it with Halloween in mind, but it's not a Halloween kit, but you know, it would be perfect to use around Halloween time. So it is a 35-page kit on Etsy. If you purchase it on Patreon, it's a 40-page kit. So the first 5 sheets I will show you are the Patreon extras. So we've got a page of fussy cuts. They're like plum type colours. Okay, the lighting's not very good in here. It's really dark outside today. We've got this one, which would be, you could use it as a page or you could use it as a cover. If you wanted to put a spine in, you could just, you know, cut it there and then add a spine. There's another one in the main kit, which I did think, you know, you could glue on the opposite side, and that would be the inside of your cover. So that's that one. We've got two envelopes, kind of wooden door and script. Then we've got some different size pockets. I think they're better keeping them down there. Yeah, some different size pockets. Kept a couple you know, plain, so you can decorate them yourself. You know, same with the envelopes. Then we've got these 2 beautiful dresses. Now you could use this as a page, or you could you know, tear or fussy cut around the dresses and also, you know, print it for 4 to a page, or however many to a page to get smaller ones. So they're the 5 that make it a 40-page kit if you purchase it in the Patreon shop, and this is the main 35-page kit. So we start off with the journal papers. Obviously you don't have to use these as journal papers, you can use them to make ephemera. I've not cut the borders off and I've not printed at the back. The lovely Alison, Crafty Ali Creates, is going to be using this kit. I think she'll really enjoy it. So we've got gold splatters on that. Then we've got, you know, the plain on one side and a pattern on the others. There's lots of gold, flecks of gold in this kit. Another one. And another one. This is like a cementy plaster. We've got different laces. And then we've got some lace and music paper and flowers on that side. Obviously you can write on that one, no problem. Also, you know, if you want big journal cards, you can just stick those 2 together and you've got, you know, a big journal card. If you printed these off 4 to a page, you would have, you know, 2 journal cards. They would be, you know, that size, so they don't have to just be journal pages. This lovely door, which I thought would be probably very nice on vellum. I think the window one would be nice on vellum as well, but I do think this, I wish I'd printed some out on vellum because I think a lot of it would look very nice on vellum. Some like glitter down here, and it is pretty shiny. Got some down here. Got a castle. It's beautiful. I think I'm going to colour a princess. Another beautiful lady here. Okay, so they're what I would class as, you know, your journal pages. These ones you can obviously still use as journal pages, or you can use them that way if you was doing a tall journal. Obviously you can use them for collage, making ephemera and embellishments. You could, you know, use the images, tear around them, cut round them. So that's that one again. Got that lovely plum colour, and then got some nice gold. Same again, but with a tea stain, well, I suppose it's coffee stain background. That's the other cover, what I was saying. Let me just grab. So, you know, you could stick those together, and then you would have, you know, an inside cover. We've got some tags and journal cards. Obviously you can keep them together as a trio. You could make them into little folio, put some pockets inside, or you can, you know, cut them separately. I've left some quite plain each, you know, so you can add your own embellishments. Some pockets. I've got a tall journal card, or that can be used inside there and stuck down as like a, you know, a back to the pocket, and it fits those too. So it'd be, I don't know, kind of like a library pocket. Then we've got some labels. We've got some lovely keyholes, yeah, those what you put your key in, locks. So I think you could have some fun with those. If you was really nifty with a knife, you could obviously, you know, cut those out. I don't think I'd do that. We've got some hinges, and then I've done this one 2 to a page as well. This is in the kit, you know, in this size. Then we've got some people. Some furniture and bits and bobs, couple of vases, some books, a hat and a mirror. I've got the plumish flowers on. Then we've some you know, floral arrangements. They've got pops of gold in there. I've done it on this background so you can tear around them, or if you fussy cut round them, you can, you know, do kiss cut, so it's not, you know, so it's not as fiddly. Then we've got this, which is a folio, or it can be used as an envelope. If you're using it as an envelope, you're best to cut a slither off so you've got a bit of a gap. You know, otherwise that edge would come to there and it would be a bit difficult to get things in. So you could just cut some down, and then you'd have your flap, or obviously put a thumb hole in. You can also sew it into your journal, either there or there, and, you know, print it two to a page to get different size. Same with this one, it can be used as folio or an envelope. then we've got some like journal cards. You can either have these as 4 separate ones, or you can obviously glue them together. We'll pretend that's not there, and that could be your back, and you could write on that, or you could have them as opening journal cards, or you could put some papers inside them. This one, I did it so you could fold them this way if you wanted, instead of, you know, having the normal opening. Obviously you would cut it down there and then it would open that way if you wanted a booklet or an opening journal card. So that is dark romance, a little bit different for me, I would say. You know, I don't know, a little bit gothic. Yeah, I don't think I've done anything. I mean, Dark Days was, you know, very grungy like this, but yeah, not with this kind of gothic look. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to seeing Alison play with this and seeing what she comes up with. And thank you to anyone who has purchased it or is going to purchase it in the future. Thank you for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with a flip through of Dark Botanicals. Then I'll be back Saturday, Sunday, and we're continuing with one of the botanical journals. We finished one off the other day, and this is gonna, you know, we're gonna do it different to that one. If you are following that series, if you're seeing this in the future, then there is a list for botanicals. I'm also going to make a playlist of all my kits, what I've done flip throughs, so you know, in the future you can just go there and have a look, because at the minute they're all over the place. They'd be a bit difficult to find. Okay, thank you very much, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye for now.